guiding light of today's ceremony.
Now, sports in charge. The students will inspire, strength, teamwork, and true sportsmanship in every Vera and Miss B. Bingo from Standard 8. Welcome you to the investiture ceremony of Karan Manjari International School.
So let's welcome our head boy, Master Shobhit Harshit Das from Standard 10 with a huge round of applause.
And now the pride of our school.
And dignity, a true example of grace, confidence and kindness. So let's welcome our head girl, Miss Deepika Singh from Standard 10. Give a huge round of applause.
I also like to call our previous head boy and head girl to come forward and hand over the flag to our chief guest.
I now request our chief guest to honor the newly appointed head boy and head girl with sashes and badges.
Students, please cheer them.
The class must know. Keep clapping, everyone. Keep clapping, everyone.
Now, announcing the in charge for Eco Club, promoting the and Miss Bidisha Shri from Standard 8 who remind us that every small action can make our planet a better.
Due to illness, Vidisha has not turned up. Please give a huge round of applause. Now, let's move towards one of the most inert systems. The stage is ready to introduce the teams that bring to every event. These houses are not just names, they're symbols of teamwork, inspiration, and
And our first house is named after a dreamer who touched the stars. That's Kalpana House. The house reflects imagination, courage, and leadership. The captains, Master Pratik Sahu from Standard 10 and Miss Renika Pani from Standard 9, truly represent the spirit of determination and dedication. I would like to call our previous house captain of Kalpana House to come forward and hand over the flag to our chief guest. Captains with sash and badges. Now, I request our chief guest to present the flag to our newly appointed house captains who will ensure their duties with great commitment and excellence.
our next house reminds us that true success comes through hard, and Ms. Rishika Pani from Standard 9 will lead this team with energy house to come forward and hand over the flag to our chief guest. I now request our chief guest to honor the newly appointed captains with sash and badges. Now, I request our previous house captain to pass a flag to the chief guest, who will then present it to the newly appointed captain for the continuation of captaincy.
Moving ahead, we have the house that symbolizes intelligence from Standard 9 and Ms. Dipsita Samal from Standard 10 who will lead with focus, responsibility and team spirit. I would like to call our previous house captain of Raman House to come forward and hand over the flag to our chief guest. Now, I request our chief guest to honor the newly appointed captains with sash and badges. Now, I request our chief guest to present the flag to our newly appointed house captains who will perform their duties with great commitment and excellence.
finally, we have the house that reflects wisdom.
Students Master Samuel Minch from Standard 10 and Miss Ishika Mundari from Standard 9 will lead this team forward and hand over the flag to our chief guest. I now request our chief guest to honor the newly appointed captains with sash and badges. Students, please keep clapping. Now I request our previous house captain to pass a flag to the chief guest, who will then present it to the newly appointed captain for the continuation of captaincy.
These four houses together form the heartbeat of our school, inspiring every student to dream, compete and achieve. With their passion and
Moment of our investiture ceremony. The oath of students, a promise made by our newly elected leaders to uphold the values of our school, serve their peers with and compassion.
I now ask our newly appointed head boy, head girl, and may inspire their every action in the year ahead. For that, I would also like to come oath. Our newly appointed leaders will repeat after them.
I, Sobit Hasidas, as the head boy of
Kanak Manjir International School,
Kanak Manjari International School,
I solemnly pledge to
I solemnly pledge to
uphold the
values and traditions
of our esteemed institution.
of our esteemed institutions.
I vote to
I vote to
serve as a role model
role model
for my fellow students,
for my fellow students,
demonstrating integrity, respect, and responsibility
and responsibility
in all my actions.
in all my actions.
I promise to
I promise to
represent
and fairness,
striving to foster
striving to foster
a positive
a positive,
and inclusive
inclusive
environment
environment
where every
where every
individual
individual
feel valued
feel valued
and heard.
and heard.
With unwavering
With unwavering
dedication
dedication,
and commitment
carry out my duties
to the best of my abilities,
to the best of my abilities,
always
always
striving to inspire
inspire
and empower
and empower
those around me.
those around me.
This is my oath.
This is
Wish to
in service to
Kanak Manjir International School
Kalak Banjar International School
and its proud
and its proud
legacy.
legacy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Integrity of Kalpana House, we call forward Master Pratik Sahu and Miss Renika Pani.
Next, embodying Dr. Aditya Sarma and Ms. Rishika Pani.
Stepping up for the courage and focus of Raman House, we invite Master Rohit Yadav and Miss Dipshita Samal after the head girl. Along with them, I request all the student council members to join them for the pledge. Attention!
Of all the house of Kanak Manjari International School, I promise to be an honest and sincere leader of all the houses and connects and my seniors. I shall, by my behavior and my performance, set an example that the pupils of the school will be proud to follow. I shall be just and fear to all. I shall always inspire my house to make an endeavor to be the best, but I shall never promote unhealthy competition and shall encourage my house to be appreciative of the success of others. I shall keep the ideals and good name of Kanak Manjari International School in mind in all that I do in school and out of school. I pledge to keep the flags of my country and my school flying high. Thank you.
To say a few words of inspiration and wisdom, which our gathering, ma'am, your guidance is truly valued. Please grace the stage.
Esteemed Chairman Sir, Teams, Principal Sir. And very small children sitting right side of the dais. Warm welcome to all of you. Today I know new leaders are chosen, but the old leaders, please don't mind. Your year will sure come. And leaders, I think what previously the sister has said. School, my photo is hanged till date. I have passed 2010, my 10th exam. Still, I have some memories, and today even if I go to my school, most of the teachers recognize me. Not due to my achievement, but due to my behavior. So I think and I request everyone, please behave properly. Whether you achieve or not, that is a matter of education. Somebody excels in education, some will excel in sports, some are good at music and song. Everyone has talent. But if your behavior is good, each and every teacher will remember you forever. And behavior costs nothing, but it will bring happiness later on your life. Secondly, as our Sanskrit says, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namo. Teachers, they show us the light. We should follow him or her. Whoever the teacher you admire or they make you inspired, please follow their words. Now it maybe feel like a burden, because what they are telling, this is very much burdensome. Who will follow them? And sometimes at your age, it's actually you will find it is ridiculous. Who will wake up at morning? Who will study this much? Who will do homework? But later in your life, when you will achieve something or when you will get something, will remember, I just follow the teacher's words. Kalpana, Kalam, Aryabhat and Raman. And everyone you know their contribution. They will study Kalam effect, Aryabhat, each and every, whatever they have proposed, any from the country of Kalam or country of Kalpana Chawla or country of C.V. Raman, and they brings that identity to our nations. Will become pride of not of your school, but from our state Odisha and our country India, and you will represent. These are my best wishes with you. Please respect your seniors, teachers and parents and follow them. Thank you.
Ma'am, Dr. Sabani Mannaik, ma'am, additional SP, definitely what you told, in fact, education is nothing but it is the modification of behavior. Modification of behavior take as the guiding light in their time, in their whole life, and definitely there is a personality to grow up, and all the council members, try to be the role model for the future, for your juniors and for your peers. Thank you all.
This Uttariya is a symbol of our profound respect and appreciation.
Segment of our ceremony, it is my duty and pleasure to invite Miss Amisha De ma'am, our English teacher, to deliver the official vote of thanks.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. I, Amisha De, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. Shravani Naik ma'am, additional SP, our guest of honor, Dr. B.R. Patnaik sir, our principal, Dr. Prashant Kumar Bhaira sir, our managing director, Mrs. Sri Patnaik ma'am. Sincere thanks to all the media personalities and our videography and sharing our achievements with the wider community. Thank you for highlighting the efforts of our students and the teams from training the students, organizing the event, everything ran smoothly. A heartfelt thanks to our parents.
Thank you, ma'am. Leadership is not about powers, it's about purpose. To all our new council members, lead with honesty, inspire with humility. Sir,
Memorable event, let us all rise in respect for our nation and sing the national anthem together.
All of you stand up. All of you stand up. Attention. Stand DJ. Attention.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब सुभाषि समागे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much.